guys, this is where the fun happens. We already cleaned it, pre-taped it, and we're getting ready for the painting. Yeah, getting ready for the painting. Got your primer, your paint, and then I'm stuck in between this gloss clear and a satin clear. I don't know. We'll figure that out later. Some of the things I cleaned it with, my Milwaukee 1/4 inch hex drill and some brass metal brushes. Got the job real good. As you can see, this is my first restoration of a Subaru intake manifold. How do it look, guys? Please comment. Please comment down below. How do that look? First restoration, as you can see, it was real dirty. It's still kind of dirty in there, but you know, that little paint won't cover up. I tried to get in there as good as I possibly could with the sandpaper, but this is my first time doing it. I think I did a pretty good job. I think I did a real pretty good job cleaning it. Tim helped with the stickering of it, as I should say, so the paint won't get inside of it. But it looks real good. It looks real good. It looks real good. All right, Tim. Let's go and hang her up.
Or you can put one through there and then just hang it.
We had to switch up the hanging. Got some green ground wire. Everybody know what that is. $5 prize for know what that green ground wire is used for. Comment below the right answer. Huh? Nah, oh, nah. Yeah. You know how to paint, right? Huh? You know how to paint, right? How you paint? How you paint? Ah, shit. You gotta, you know you gotta spray. See, you already messing up. Back up some. You're getting too dark, too dark, too dark. Yeah, like Tim doing. One good even coat. Not too dark, not too light. One good even coat. This is the primer. Get it good, Tim. All right. Too close. You're getting drip marks. You're getting drips. Wait it again. See, you dripping. You dripping.
Where? I don't drip.
Dripping, bro. Too much, too much. Back up. Huh? Back up some.
I'm gonna do the bottom.
Nigga, you fucking up.
I hope.
Back up some. This nigga still gonna get closer. There you go. You see how it still go on? That shit.
You gotta keep on going back and forth.
That's why I got 2 cans. Which one? Yeah, we finally got first 2 coats on there. First 2 coats. Trying to let it's a flash dry. I don't really it dries pretty quick.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Oh yeah. Finna let her dry. Don't finish priming her. She's all primed, baby. It's a flash dry, like I said, so it shouldn't take long. A couple minutes. Should be good and done. Then we can finally do the painting. Finally do the painting. Oh yeah. She gonna look real good. All right, get it right, Tim. Get it right. We about to paint her. Paint all that metallic gold, baby. Yes. Get it right, Tim. Get it right.
A lot of this.
You said what?
It look like it. I go in the run. See? I ain't even putting it on the head. There's it. Yeah, like it ain't put enough on it.
Hey, we alright. Just keep trying. Oh yeah. I don't know why it's running. We'll figure it out. Just keep spraying.
Put the whole thing cut, then go back over.
Pretty much. Get it lightly coated, then go back over it. That's the motto as of right now.
You got any tips or tricks to let us know?
Yeah, if you got any tips, tricks, please let us know in the comments. Please. But oh my God, she is looking somewhat good. We got a little bit of run right here. I don't know why it's running. We let it dry real good. So let us know what we're doing wrong. Just let us know. It's our first time. Did some research. Back up some. Let me see. Maybe spraying it on too heavy. Yeah. You see? There you go. Big league.
Back up some. Back up some. Yeah, he's spraying on too heavy. That's why it's running like that.
Yeah, make sure you stay back a few. That's why it's running. Spraying it on too heavy. Figured it out. There you go. See how it's staying on? It ain't running.
Just have to redo that.
Yeah. Back up some. That stuff spray far. It spray up about, what, 6 feet? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Got a little bit of run, a little bit of drip, but we can fix it. First coat, first coat. And we amateurs, baby. We amateurs. Like I said, please let us know what we're doing wrong in the comments below. We would love it. That one continuous motion. Huh? You said what? Yeah, let me see. Don't let it run. dripping, baby. We are dripping. It's okay. It's okay. We dripping with gold, baby. We dripping with gold.
All up through there. Pure and all through there. It was looking light. I can still see the primer through it. See the right here too. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Top of it.
Let's try to kind of catch. Then we're gonna put it on. We're gonna take it off this wire and then put it on that table.
It's always flat down. They always sit flat level. There you have it, guys. Nice gold intake manifold. We'll let this dry, hit it with a second coat, and then clear coat it. See what happens.
So we had to bring the manifold in, the intake manifold in while we was painting it. But we got it all painted. It is all painted now. So when I said I was stuck in between the gloss clear and the satin clear protective finish coat, I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I don't. I'm still undecisive. Undecisive with the gloss clear or the satin clear. But the manifold is all painted up, y'all. She is all painted up. She ready? I'm gonna probably do some test hits with both of them on one of these sides. I don't know which side yet. Put it right here. Somewhere. Probably hit her right here with this one. Hit her with the satin clear first. So, right now I'm about to do a couple test hits on the satin clear and the gloss clear to see which one I like the best. Man, do a couple. Get it right. I'm trying to make sure the sprayers are right. Do a couple test hits right here. That was the gloss clear. And this is the satin clear. Let's see. Nice little coat on there. Yeah, it looks about the same. Looks about the same. Just gonna let it dry for a second. Shouldn't take long. But we had to bring the manifold inside to finish painting it. First we had to let the paint dry. Now we're putting the coat on it, the protective coat, the gloss clear or the satin clear. About to know here in a second. But we did have to bring it inside because the weather outside is pretty cold, so it was kind of messing up the paint when we was painting it. So it was about, 40 degrees, and it wasn't drying as fast as it was supposed to. So put some heaters on in the garage. Now it should dry fast and no more mistakes. We got a few bubbles, but remember, this is our first time. Please let us know in the comments below what we're doing wrong. We always need help. All right.
Did we start?